Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Knowledge of Biz Ed, and this is where we share life hacks. We share information to help you in your daily activities, because there's a lot of times we'll find ourselves in situations where if we just had first-hand knowledge on how to process a transaction, it would have made life a lot easier. So in this video, I will be going through part 2 on of how to register online, how to register a self-employed account online through the Tax Administration Jamaica's web portal. And just a quick disclaimer, I am nowhere, shape, or form affiliated with Tax Administration Jamaica. I am only sharing this information for knowledge purposes only. Therefore, I highly recommend that you speak to your professional tax advisor if it is that you need any more information. So let's get into the meat of the matter. If it is that you want to know about part how to move from how we get here, I highly recommend that you go and watch the other video that I posted some time ago. Okay then, so you would have completed step 1 in part of the processes that I would have gone through in step 1 in part 1 of the video. So now we're at part 2. So having gone through the process, now you would have gotten this email from the TAJ, or Tax Administration Jamaica, and on the subject it says your new TAJ e-service registration request has been processed, and then it gives you instruction of where you're able to locate the information. So it says your new TAJ e-service registration request has been processed on the TAJ tax portal. You may log in using the password and username you previously created. You will now have access to the e-services tab, to which you'll be allowed to manage all your registered tax accounts. And from here, it will take you, so you go through the process, you go on to come back right here on the tax admin website, you go to login right here on login, and then you insert your username, your password, and then it will take you to this page. Sorry, not right here, but it will take you to the process that I would have explained in the previous video, where it will bring you to e-services, and when you click on manage e-services, it will take you to here, and then right here it will have your taxpayer name, and right here where you have log on, it will have your taxpayer contact details. All right, so remember, we're trying to figure out what is it that TJ would have sent us. So if it is that we want to see the letter that tax admin sends us, we'll go to correspondence, and then we will select the letter from here. But I won't get into that. We're here now to figure out how we register the account. So when you're on your portal, on the e-services section, you'll see I want to, and it gives you a list of things. But what we need to do right now is we want to register for an account. And as self-employed persons, sometimes not necessarily self-employed, but we can be gainfully employed and getting additional income. And we'll still follow the same process as I would have explained in the previous video and in this video. What I'll do, I'll leave a link in above for you to just easily make reference to the previous video. All right, so we're here. This is step 1, registering for a new account, and it tells you about the service, what you need, and after you finish, so you can take the time out and you can read. All right, so when you go to next, it takes you here to tell you about the account type, and it is either contractors levy, and the list goes on. But what we're focusing on right now is individual income tax. Whether you're a PAYE, meaning that you're gainfully employed, you're a pensioner, etc., or you are an individual income tax self-employed. So if it is that you're gainfully employed, meaning that you have a full-time job, you have a regular 9 to 5, and you have a side hustle, you have a business on the side, you're required to register with the tax admin. So now you select the PAYE, pensioners, etc. You select that option. If you have no other income, but you're only self-employed, you're doing your own business, you select self-employed. Then you go to next, and then you have your start date or whatever on here. You'll select next, and then it will take you here, give you this confirmation, and you submit. And that's it. So that's the process. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this video to be informative, please give it a thumbs up. Tell a friend to tell another friend about it. Until next time, please come back because this is a series. So I might do a video on how to complete the SO4 form. But for now, thank you. Bye.